Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen and welcome if this is your first time stopping by. So as you guys can see by the title, once it starts, it doesn't stop. And I know, but I had told you guys in my last video, cabin fever is getting to me and it's just, there's no stopping right now. So I had to get this, and the reason is I have not seen something that I've been this excited about in terms of luxury in a while. And I'm over the moon. I am so excited about this. So I'm going to unbox this with you guys. I did get it in the mail yesterday and I've been waiting to unbox it with you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's in this box, then definitely keep on watching. So first in my box, it came beautifully packaged. Haven't touched the packaging yet. Inside here you get your little information cards that you need, like thanks for shopping in terms of returns and exchanges, and then you get your receipt and how to return your items. So got everything in there, keeping it all nice and organized. This beautiful box, which I am so bummed that I have to ruin this. I don't want to, so I'm going to try to kind of hold everything together. So you get your beautiful Louis Vuitton box, and really quickly I'm going to ask you guys to pause right here and put your comments down below what you think is in this box, because I don't think anybody has really talked about this yet on YouTube in general. So I want you guys to tell me what you think is in here. Okay, so let's open. I can't wait any longer. So of course you got your beautiful magnetic closure, and you got your beautiful dust bag. And based on this, what do we think it is, you guys? I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay. I've been wanting one of these for a while, and honestly, they're actually kind of hard to come by, but when I saw this, I just knew I needed it. It is so pretty. This is the Louis Vuitton cosmetic case. This is the smaller one in the new pastel collection, or like new colorful watercolor collection, and my heart. This is so pretty. So this is like perfect for Easter. You've got your pastel pink, yellow, green, blue, purple, and it is so pretty. It has the big LVs on it, the pink cloth zipper area, and then when you open it, you got your little booklet and your pink interior. So how many of you guys guessed correctly? Because if you guessed correctly, I totally am like completely shocked, because I didn't even know that I was gonna get this. So yeah, so this is my beautiful new cosmetic case. Yes, it is a little bit much for a cosmetic case. You don't need to spend this kind of money, but when I saw this, I was like, this is beautiful, and it sold out like right away online, and it is just so stunning. It is beautifully made. The zipper glides like butter. It's so pretty. The inside, you guys may like be worried or whatever. This is just a easy to clean leather lining instead of it being like cloth or anything that could get stained. So this is stuff that you can easily wipe. But isn't this beautiful? Oh my god, I cannot. And then they got your little LV on your little zipper, and the bottom has the pink. This is going to be my new love, and I'm so excited. What do you guys think about this new purchase? You're probably wondering how much this was, and I can tell you right now. So the code for this little cosmetic case, I'll put it on the screen right now. It is M69139. And if you go to the Louis Vuitton, this is the LV Escape cosmetic case. Now these do come in different colors as well online, and because most Louis Vuitton, I believe every Louis Vuitton store across the world is closed right now, I don't think you can even get this inside a store, but it might be available once it comes back. They came out with a ton of beautiful bags for this collection, and this cosmetic case, this costs $535. So yes, this is very pricey. So it also came in this beautiful blue tie-dye set as well. And they also have like really, really great things within this collection. I am so tempted to get more, but I honestly do not need more, and there are more important things for me to spend my money on right now. But they have a lot of wallets. They even have the Neverfull in the pastel, which is so stunning, but again, I don't need it. But it is so pretty, and there's so many things from this collection that I'm like so tempted to get, but I just need to save money. But this was a little splurge and a little gift to me because I've been losing weight and I've been trying really hard, and I've been saving up a lot of money for my wedding, so it was kind of like a little gift to myself for working so hard and definitely keeping up with my fitness and health goals for the year. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this little quick unboxing. I know I'm doing a couple unboxings in a row, and I'm sorry, but I really wanted to get these out there so I could start using my new goodies, and I was super excited about it. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love you all so, so much, and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys!